Mazda announced 5 new SUV launches globally by 2023. It confirmed that the US will get 3 models, one of which will be the Mazda CX-70 hybrid. Here's what you can expect from the future Mazda SUV that is expected to be priced starting at around $45,000. The CX-70 will be designed and developed mainly for North America. Mazda has mentioned that the CX-70 will be a wide-body, 2-row SUV belonging to the midsize segment. A deeply sculpted front face, a long nose, and a short rear silhouette should give the CX-70 an imposing SUV-like presence and a powerful character. As Americans like rugged styling, the company could offer an option to have a black radiator grille applique, skid plates, gray fenders, and black mirrors in a package, as depicted in our rendering. On the outside, the CX-70 is expected to feature adaptive LED headlights, 20-inch wheels, a panoramic sunroof, and a hands-free power liftgate. Inside, a large color HUD, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Mazda Connect, and the Mazda Connect Commander Control knob, maple wood trim, and Napa leather upholstery should be the noteworthy features. On the safety front, expect Mazda to offer a 360-degree camera, front cross-traffic alert, lane keep assist system with lane departure warning system, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, RCTA, and much more. The CX-70 will be based on the company's Skyactiv multi-solution scalable architecture, which will be available in gasoline and plug-in hybrid variants. The CX-70 plug-in hybrid should employ a modified version of the CX-5's 2.5L Skyactiv G4 cylinder direct injection gasoline engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and the iActive permanent all-wheel drive system. The electric motor or the generator assisting the engine will likely be integrated into the transmission. The plug-in hybrid powertrain of the CX-70 may produce around 325 horsepower and around 370 pound-feet of torque. The traction battery pack powering the electric motor will likely be a 17.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion unit with an EPA estimated range of between 25 and 30 miles. As for the CX-70 hybrid, it could be powered by the new 3.3-liter engine turbocharged straight-six gasoline engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. The engine in question debuted in the CX-60, and in the smaller SUV, it produces 251 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. We expect the company to launch the Mazda CX-70 in the US between April and December 2023. It also says so on the American website, in a page titled Upcoming Mazda Crossover SUVs, that the CX-50, CX-70, and CX-90 will come to the US by 2023. The Mazda CX-70 could build a reputation for its agility and driving pleasure as well as comfort, refinement, and reassurance of a premium SUV in the midsize segment. Moreover, the availability of a plug-in hybrid system is sure to appeal to consumers who are interested in reducing running cost and their environmental impact, without having to compromise on performance. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Top Electric SUV for the latest developments on electric cars.